It's a brand new day, brand new shit. Got the same bag with some brand new tricks. The same old style, but it got some brand new kicks. I said I remember living like this on beats. Excuse me, Mr. Louis, it's your birthday. Just turned single, so you know I gotta flex. Loyal to the team, so you know I gotta rep. Ayy, juvenile sale with your motherfucking chest. I be fast moving, hope you understand fully. You gon' turn me into the old day Louis. Tell them other players that can sit on the bench, cause they also got shotgun necks. Got a little taste and I want a limo. I think I'm really getting used to being single. Got a bitch gone, got a little more dough. I think I'm really getting used to being single. And you done fucked up and you let a ooze roll. I think I'm really getting used to being single. Man, I swear I really, really miss these hoes. I think I'm really getting used to being single.
Tryna go hard in the pain. Where was you when I had no dojo? Now you want me cause I'm on a fire, no. That's that petty shit I don't like. That's that ratchet shit you don't wife. They the type of bitches that will fuck with you and the whole group. So you ain't getting no love at all, no love from me. These hoes ain't got no morals, they just great that key. Oh yeah. But shout out to my European mama. Really with the shit's no drama. Shorty got ass and titties. That's why I see right away, baby.
I think I'm really getting used to being single. Got a bitch gone, got a little more dough. I think I'm really getting used to being single. You done fucked up and you let her